I have some very important information if you hold cryptocurrency. So today, if you do not know, the SEC has been in court with Coinbase. And it's quite possible that we are going to have a ruling by the judge to potentially dismiss this case that the SEC has raised against Coinbase and listing coins that were potential securities or non-securities. It seemed like the judge was really hard on Gary Gensler as he's doing a lot of illegal and bad things for the industry and within the SEC, a lot of corrupt activities. The previous case that they beat the SEC was XRP, Ripple, where they won saying that XRP is not a security, and the SEC sued Ripple, causing the price of XRP to crash for the past several years and causing it to be delisted on every exchange. But they won that lawsuit, and it's looking like it's quite possible that the Coinbase is going to win this lawsuit against the SEC. This is actually going to be very bullish. But if there is some type of ruling where there's going to be a mixed ruling on certain things, that's going to be good for us, some going to be bad. It's certainly going to cause volatility in the crypto markets. However, if the SEC wins this case, which would ultimately mean that it's going to be dismissed, it could happen by tomorrow, sometime very soon. I'm not an expert on when it's going to happen, but it's going to be bullish for cryptocurrencies if this case gets dismissed, which means that there's going to be a bunch more cases which have already taken place, not only Ripple, that have been dismissed against the SEC, which could potentially get Gary Gensler fired, which is going to be extremely bullish for cryptocurrencies. This is one thing that's actually preventing Ripple from going IPO, from publicly listing their company to be sold under the stock market. And this is preventing a lot of growth in cryptocurrency, staking and all these different types of things, which is a part of this lawsuit, which they could potentially win, which is going to be, like I said, very bullish. And it's going to make this bull run even more bullish. The other thing is the stock market has been following these past couple of days. The crypto market has been going down a bit after its massive bullish pump, which is completely normal, completely healthy, and expected, as I've been warning you and telling you all would likely happen. Now, the reason why the stock market is down today and the reason why there's a lot of uncertainty in the markets right now is because people are now thinking that the Fed is not going to want to cut rates as they mentioned they would this year. And that's just fear. That's just uncertainty and doubt. The Fed has made it very clear that they are going to cut rates, most likely by at least 75 basis points, which is going to be very bullish for cryptos and stocks as well. But a lot of people are saying, okay, by the time the Fed starts cutting rates, it's actually bearish for the market. Look, the stock market just made all-time highs. The stock market's making new highs. Everything is still very bullish. These same type of people that have been flooding the market for the past several years saying the stock market's going to go to zero, cryptos are going to zero. Cryptos are making new highs. The stock market is making new highs. The economy is very strong. Inflation is coming down. All these things that they were trying to scare people away to buying the stock market, for buying cryptos, they're trying to prevent people from getting in before this huge move up because they want you, the retail investor, to buy in at the top, to FOMO in after they buy in during these uncertain times. The best times to buy, ladies and gentlemen, is when there's fear, when there's uncertainty, when there's doubt. The bottoms of the markets, the FTX crash, that was the bottom of the market. Any other type of FUD, like when the banks crashed last year and everyone was panicking, that was the bottom of the market, and it just blasted off right after that. We always want to take a look at Bitcoin to really gauge the strength of the market, because if Bitcoin holds and consolidates, it's going to allow altcoins to pump and to make their bullish moves. But if Bitcoin continues to move lower, altcoins and every crypto is going to continue to move lower for the most part. Now look at this. Algo Sniper gave us a sell alert at the very top of Bitcoin around 49,000, and it's been crashing ever since. We got a buy alert, it pumped all the way up, but we're still in a sell alert. It just recently gave us a sell alert on the 1 hour time frame. So we're going to have to see if Bitcoin holds this support or if it breaks down. Personally, what I'm thinking is going to happen is that Bitcoin, if we take a look in the daily time frame, we have not got a sell alert since $24,000. And we're getting really close to Algo printing a sell alert, which would obviously be bearish in the short term. And we're starting to see this on a lot of other coins, Ethereum, XRP. We're starting to see bearish signals, but I'm only expecting a little bit of a pullback at the worst in the immediate short term. And we're going to have another pump coming very soon. After a lot of selling, we've been selling for almost more than a week now, every single day going down. Just everything's been red for about a week. Guess what happens after there's a lot of red? There's going to be a lot of green coming very soon. The market is still very bullish. Let me tell you, do not be fearful. Do not panic. We are in a bull market. We are in a bull market. Corrections are completely normal. They are completely healthy, and they allow the price to actually go up higher because there's a bunch of people on the sidelines waiting to buy the dip to get in at lower prices because nobody wants to pay $49,000 for a Bitcoin at the moment. They want to pay 38, 40,000. These are more respectable discounted prices. That's going to allow the price to be supercharged on these dips to push the price even further. Now, if you guys want to try Algo Sniper, go to algosniper.com. You guys can try it for $1. As well, if you guys want to follow my profitable buy and sell alerts, join the Patreon. And also, I just opened up my Discord for free. It's a community where you can chat with me, my members. It's really, really fun. Go ahead and join the community. It's going to be amazing. If you guys are looking for a platform to trade crypto on, make sure you do it on Blowfin. They're giving away $2,000 away for free. You don't need a VPN or anything, and you can trade cryptos up to 150x leverage. If you guys got something out of the video, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed with notifications on. I'll see you later.